Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Got a pair of Atlas C424s, D&H 452 and 455. Why don't we just take a look at these guys? All custom weathered with Tsunami sound in them. Okay, that's pretty much straightforward. So if you want to see photos of this or any engines that you see on my videos, visit Delano Mountain Custom Models. All the links are there. You know, they should all be under specific railroad headings at the bottom of my main page. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.